Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to change display quality in Pokémon TCG Pocket. To improve or adjust your display quality in Pokémon TCG Pocket, first of all, go ahead and open up the application on your device and make sure to log in. Now, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner and in the expanded menu, click on Other. Now, click on the Settings button at the top. Scroll down from the Settings menu and get to the Display Quality option. Select whether you'd like high performance for your app, balanced performance, or high quality for display. Go ahead and make a selection from the menu, and then, after adjusting the display setting, go back and enjoy the game again. With the right display settings, you'll enjoy a more tailored Pokémon TCG Pocket experience. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe for more Pokémon TCG Pocket tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.